What's more important than protection? Well, there are inventions and gadgets that can do that and more. And today, you'll see how technology is on the verge of leading us to immortality. A top gadget to save your life. This version of the Gavlay is a true innovation in design and functionality. Sliding cuts and the optical cut have achieved a significant reduction in weight, improving maneuverability and speed of use. The textured grip provides superior control and ensures a firm grip even in adverse conditions. One of the most notable improvements is the elevated position of the puncture valve, which allows the CO2 cartridge to be more efficiently and discreetly integrated into the grip, not only improving the aesthetics of the device, but also making it easier to use. This is particularly useful in high-pressure situations where speed and efficiency are critical. The Gavlay is specifically designed for JUL projectiles and guarantees a firing power of 36 joules in each of its 5 rounds. With compact dimensions of 7.75 inches in length, 1.2 inches in width, and 5 inches in height, this device is easy to transport and handle, making it ideal for operations that require mobility and discretion. In addition, the twist-to-puncture CO2 system ensures quick and secure loading of the 16-gram CO2 cartridge, minimizing prep time and maximizing operational efficiency. The steel bolt provides rugged durability. Intrigued by this protective device? Get ready for what's next, because we're about to unveil new advancements that will challenge your perception of safety. More than just a self-defense device, the Hero 2020 is an innovative solution for staying safe in any situation. With the ability to fire chemical-filled projectiles at speeds of 160 to 175 FPS from a distance of 20 feet, this device provides an effective defense against any potential threat. The projectiles explode upon impact, releasing a debilitating PAVA-based irritant that envelops targets in a cloud of up to 6 feet, instantly incapacitating any assailant. What makes the Hero 2020 even more impressive is its unique engineering. Equipped with a nitrogen system to propel projectiles and an automatic strobe light to disorient attackers, this device gives you an undeniable tactical advantage in any emergency situation. In addition, its automatic laser sighting ensures impeccable accuracy, allowing you to aim with confidence even in high-pressure situations. Another outstanding feature of the Hero 2020 is its portability. With a compact design that easily fits in your pocket or purse, this device goes with you wherever you go, ensuring constant protection no matter where you are. Best of all, its wireless no-spray operation makes it incredibly easy to use. Just point and shoot to activate its powerful defense. If you thought this invention was revolutionary, wait until you see what comes next. We're about to witness a wave of innovation that'll change the way we protect ourselves. Discover the world's only pepper spray with laser sighting technology, a revolutionary innovation in personal security. The spray contains a lab-tested 18% OC, oleoresin capsicum formula that provides effective defense with a range of up to 16 feet, approximately 5 meters. This range is critical for maintaining a safe distance between you and any potential aggressor. In addition, the device comes with the free Protected for Life program, which offers free replacement of the spray after use. This program ensures that you are always prepared and protected at no additional cost. Certain terms and conditions apply to benefit from this program, ensuring that every user receives maximum value and peace of mind from their investment. This pepper spray with laser targeting technology is an indispensable tool for modern self-defense. This device is just the first step in an exciting journey into the next generation of protective devices. Ready to dive into a world where each invention surpasses the last in safety and wonder? The Survival Pen is not only a lifesaver, it's also a versatile pen for everyday use. Enjoy this smooth screw mechanism and comfortable grip for everyday writing. Made with precision machined parts and high-quality materials, the Survival Pen is designed to last a lifetime. Effortlessly transition from a daily writing companion to a powerful survival tool to ensure you are always prepared for the unexpected. In critical moments, you can rely on the Survival Pen to quickly escape from danger. In addition to its core functionality, the Survival Pen has several features that make it even more indispensable. With an ergonomic design that ensures a firm and comfortable grip, it's ideal for both extended writing sessions and emergency situations. The Survival Pen also comes with an integrated clip, so you can easily carry it in your pocket, backpack, or belt, and keep it close at hand. Its stainless steel tip can be used to break glass in an emergency, providing a quick and effective solution for exiting vehicles or buildings in dangerous situations. What we've seen so far is just the beginning of an even more incredible story in personal protection. Stay alert, because what's coming will defy your expectations and take you to places you never thought possible. Inventions that can literally save your life? Parapactum, the protection device for dignitaries, comes in the form of an umbrella, but it's much more than that. It's a real protection weapon. Parapactum offers multi-directional protection, meaning it can protect its users from any angle. Its instant opening allows for quick response in emergency situations, ensuring that protection is available at the precise moment. Inspired by the elegant and sturdy structure of the authentic Cherbourg umbrella and the advanced technology of Formula One cars, Parapactum combines style and functionality. If this gadget took your breath away, get ready for a new era of innovation that'll challenge the limits of security. What's coming will leave you speechless. The Scorpion chain dart not only redefines the classic functionality of dart weapons, but also introduces a whole new level of durability and versatility. With its 9-ounce steel dart, you can be sure that each strike is precise and powerful, ensuring that your target feels the impact. The rotating ball bearing on the dart allows for smooth and quick movements, giving you exceptional control in combat situations. The 5-inch aluminum hilt is another critical addition. With its machined grip, it provides a comfortable and secure hold, allowing you to maneuver the weapon with unmatched precision. The second rotating ball bearing on the handle not only allows for smoother movement, but also expands the ways in which you can use the dart. You can perform complex spins and strategic maneuvers that would be impossible with a traditional design. If you think this is incredible, wait until you see what's next in the world of safety devices. We are on the cusp of a revolution that'll change the way we stay safe. More than just a life-saving device, the wearable shield is an innovative bullet and stab-proof body armor or simple helmet. It can protect your head, heart, and more from gunshots, stabbings, and explosions. Made in the USA, the main panel of this shield meets the ballistic protection and stab-resistance standards of the National Institute of Justice, NIJ of the USA. This portable shield offers a unique combination of protection and convenience. Designed to be easily portable, it can be quickly deployed in emergency situations to provide essential protection. Its lightweight and compact structure allows it to be carried comfortably in a backpack or briefcase, making it an ideal solution for those seeking discreet yet effective protection. We've seen a historic advancement in personal protection, but what's next is even more exciting and may blow your mind. With the Vlad, EK introduces a completely new tactical crossbow. Robustly built, this crossbow is an innovative addition to the product line, highlighted by its numerous aluminum parts and a quick-change system for the limbs. The solid aluminum stock can be folded, allowing the crossbow to be reduced to the size of a small briefcase in seconds, making it ideal for discreet and secure transportation. The design of the Vlad includes a detachable forearm, which greatly facilitates replacement and maintenance. This package includes 2 sets of front limbs, one 60-pound and one 90-pound, providing adaptable performance options for different needs and deployment scenarios. In addition to the Vlad crossbow stock and the 8-shot magazine for 6.3-inch bolts, the complete package also offers a number of essential accessories. These include the 60-pound and 90-pound limbs, the renowned EK Red Dot sight that enhances shooting accuracy and effectiveness, and 10 aluminum bolts that ensure consistent and reliable shooting experience. The Vlad's advanced engineering and ergonomic design make it an exceptional choice for crossbow enthusiasts and security professionals. What we've accomplished so far is just the beginning of an exciting adventure in personal protection. Active Protection Gear's patented arm protectors are designed to provide superior protection in critical situations. These protectors feature a 60-degree hard edge made of epoxy resin that effectively blocks all types of attacks, from blunt force trauma to cutting attempts with sharp weapons. This advanced technology not only ensures the user's protection, but also deters attackers by providing unexpected and difficult-to-overcome resistance. One of the main advantages of these arm protectors is their lightweight. Despite being made of extremely strong materials, each protector weighs approximately 170 grams, making them comfortable to wear for long periods of time without causing fatigue. This combination of lightness and strength is critical for security professionals who need to maintain a high level of mobility and quick response. The flat and discreet design of the protectors allows them to be worn underneath clothing without being easily detected. This is especially useful for undercover agents or situations where it's inconvenient to display protective gear. In addition, with a length of 21 centimeters and adjustable Velcro closures, the arm protectors fit almost any arm size for a secure and personalized fit.